Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to reset Audacity settings to default. Firstly, make sure Audacity is not running. Then type run into the Windows search bar and open it. Type %appdata% into the run command and press enter. Next step, find and open the Audacity folder. Delete the Audacity config file in this folder. Don't worry, this won't break anything. When you run Audacity, a new default config file will be automatically created to replace the deleted one. This means all your Audacity settings will revert to their defaults. I hope this quick and simple how to reset Audacity settings to default guide video was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.